Today we're going to look at the syllables and affixes, sort number 14. This is a continuation of sort 13, and we're looking at more syllable junctures in VCV and VCCV word patterns. Let's start by reading our word list. We'll start at the top in the first column: silent, funny, female, after, sister, chapter, blanket, only, middle column, happen, winter, better, moment, finger, duty, pillow, yellow, and in the last column, number, follow, problem, pattern, bottom, member, never, and window. Let's take a look at a few examples. We're going to look at the word silent. If we break the word silent up into syllables, we would have two syllables, sigh and lent. We have two types of syllables here, open and closed. In this case, when a syllable ends in a vowel sound, we would call that an open syllable. When a single vowel, in this case the letter I, is followed by a single consonant, the L, followed by another vowel, typically the first vowel will make the long vowel sound. So in this case, we would read sigh, long vowel sound I, lent, sigh, lent. Let's take a look at another example here. This is a vowel consonant, consonant vowel. Now, we've added a word here from last week. We didn't call this a doublet, but a doublet is when we have the two consonants that are the same in the middle of the word. So let's take a look at the word follow, fall, low. If we break it up into our syllables there, and you can see that the first syllable ends in a consonant, so that is called a closed syllable. Now, when a vowel comes before a doublet or a double consonant, that vowel sound is typically short. So in this case, fall, low. The O is making the short vowel sound. Let's look at one more. Winter, breaking into syllables, winter. Again, we can see that the first syllable ends in a consonant, so this is a closed syllable. Now, this is a vowel consonant vowel word, but the consonants this time are different. But even though they're different, they still follow the same rule. If a vowel comes before two consonants, it will make the short vowel sound. So for this sort, we've called this a vowel consonant vowel word. Different just meaning different consonants. Let's take a look at our sort now. We can sort through these together. I'm going to pull one word up at a time. Our first word here is problem. We're looking for that vowel consonant vowel pattern. We see that here, O-B-L-E. So that vowel is a short vowel sound. And that's where we get problem. Now, these consonants are different, so we would put this under the vowel consonant vowel different column. Our next one here is the word moment. If we break that into our syllables, we would read moment. We have a vowel consonant vowel here in the middle of the word, O-M-E. And that's why the O makes the long sound, because we only have a single consonant there in the middle. Meant. So we can put this one over with our vowel consonant vowel words. Our next word here is the word pattern. 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 2 syllables again. This time we have a vowel, double consonant vowel pattern. And in this case, it is a double T or a doublet. And so we can put this one in the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel column. Now we have a couple of oddball words I would like us to look at together. The first one being the word never. Now, if we break this down into syllables, we would read never, never. We only have one consonant here. And if that's the case, that tells us that the E should make the long sound. In the word never, it makes the short E sound. And so the word never doesn't follow the rules of the sort that we're doing. And so we're going to put that one here in the oddball column. The next one that we have here is the word only. Only. Now we can see that in only we have a double consonant, the NL, and in this case the Y acts as the final vowel. And we had said when we have that double consonant that the vowel sound should be short. But in the word only, O, we have a long vowel sound at the beginning followed by a double consonant. And so that for that reason, this is an oddball word as well. Let's do one or two more together. The next one here is sister. Into syllables, we have sister. We see the double consonant in the middle, and that tells us that the I will make the short vowel sound. Sister. And so these are not the same, so it's not a doublet. So we put this under the double consonant different column. One last word here, the word yellow, yell, low, yell, low. 2 syllables again. This time we have the double L or the doublet with the L in the middle, and that tells us that the E makes the short vowel sound eh. Yell, low. So this one can go in our doublet column. All right, you can sort the rest, and that is it for us today.